Experience, contact, telecommunication, supra, say going on and very enthusiastic for confirmations into the I-6661 for discovery. Contact say from United States also, delegation of them, meaning also given tolerance for the I-6661 for discovery for confirmation again after the I-6661 for discovery. Contact say conference by reporting into the I-6661 for discovery ordinary experience quite needed for public experience alibi or meaning also contacting each other. Definitive on potential for conversations. Into the I-6661 for discovery meaning also for that. And through this moment, contact is about question for the experience contacting self by name Irwan Cornell on ordinary life. Contact say quite confusing or meaning also potential also for crazy peoples involved or big assumption also to enter I-6661 for discovery self. But contact suddenly happen also say alien family contacting public international or into the I-6661 for discovery also for status conference or experience contacting ordinary 666 on discovery quite possible because on talent or quite accurate for alibi about this experience case millennium international public contact say quite accurate for alibi about that and also for maintaining the momentum experience supernatural ghost investigations happening which definitive also about 666 in the world. They already being agreed, being shown for about 666 in one corner discovery. Context also is contacting also meaning not crazy for direction to enter the I-666 one discovery because also for maintaining temporarily for the probability about momentum the appointment 666 international mark of the beast contact alien fund international for about basics momentum called millennium called human commanding goes from grave suspect human conspiration supernatural from local domestic countries but about also counting Indonesia as premier for them chasing for the suspect domicile address or about their contacting happening actually straightly for about ordinary life 666 one for discovering experience with them or experience about contacting happening supernatural contacting ordinary life 666 one for discovering which meaning definitive any suspect for that definitive any troublemaker for that for the ordinary experience 666 one for discovery status premier alibi international for posting about a suspect human commanding goes to grave on this millennium Rivalian conversations trust international for about authorities supra alien god which already being agreed since years before Riva 666 one for discovery on Europe and also America and Arab, Islam and Israel. Definitive alien God an authority for conversation and also about experience international supra since years before Riva 666 one for discovery and through this progress already become alibi for the I-666 one for discovery for sharing about human commanding goes to grave. Human conspirations activities supra one TV international for about also made terror for disturbing also alien god for about religions for meaning also about that Context 666 on discovery meaning on potential for being support actually about proving the experience contacting ordinary. Contact also about appointment, decorations, existence, money logo, alien family for that also. Refund number ko people the original or it goes to enter ID 6661 for discovery. 6661 for discovery based context definitive get connected actually not crazy statement or claim on internet. Definitive goes to United States on the tolerance for meaning also available for confirmation again by international for conference internet ID 6661 for discovery for about public international on the same experience already also meaning also investigation about this starts also as suspect together with the premier one human commanding goods from grave or about called dukun or ethnic customs or religions for their confusing conspiracies of corporate criminal on this day. Since year 2008, already pioneering for the existence case by Internet ID 6661 for discovering itself lawyer club. Independent or being honored, being understand, being proved by international public. And confirmation already goes also to government each countries and also United States of America and also peoples from there also already starts as alibi about this moment experience colossal supernatural with a claim on internet ID 6661 for discovery on social media on this day. 6661 for discovery based context need to be made report about that for statement or meaning also explanations. Contacting experience ordinary 6661 for discovery being alibi, being continue for supporting the momentum decorations my logo 666 actually. What about giving reward money to name it one corner also as meaning also 6661 for discovering Stockholm decorations my logo 666 with Alien Farm International 22 trillion rupiah name one corner. For that also about this moment progress chasing and supporting ordinary experience 6661 for discovery. Telecommunications contact body supernatural happening and also about indications connection syndicate manipulating 6661 for discovering pioneering case from domestic local county Indonesia peoples from ethnic there also context say that's also following on the next case about supporting internet ID 6661 for discovering experience contacting self conference reporting to the Internet Global by Internet ID 6661 for discovering say our potential also for chasing for investigation status suspect from local domestic from county Indonesia or town Medan also domicile address name in one corner. Definitive on probability truly happening contacting already 6661 for discovering but being manipulated, being conspirated, being latent by the responsible on the progress. 6661 for discovery link based context say need to be support for the conference or reporting, need to be chasing for the truth actually on probability being manipulated. Definitely get connected actually, but already escape by the suspect identity on the progress. 6661 for discovery being contacted by foraging on this moment meaning context say actually from white skinned peoples but quite non-responsible for the next because this contact also for about proving experience contacting already 6661 for discovery non-bluffing actually. 666 Mongol scout framing on this moment calendar say definitive status as RV and also iconic international politician, also potential. Name Iran Cornell as newcomers Chambers International Politicians with title 666 in the world. Appointment, decoration, existence, my logo, alien family, ownership. 666 original, but then already been claimed, being sustained for the proving. Internet ID 666 one for discovery. Official direction to Alien Fund International with their delegations also quite trust Sir Alien T, United States of America. Until this year 2021, still receiving messaging Internet ID 666 one for discovery in complaints and reporting. Context say they also include alien fund names each others, such as also Alien Khomeini Emir, Sultan Arab Islam International, and also alien fund names another, such as also Alien Emirter, or still being coalition or being confirmations. Context say quite absurd, but potential getting clear for the coalition happening. Alien family names each other among countries on international on this day, going to coalition or supporting for the existence of my logo 666. Context say from the alien state, United States, America also, because alien fund international also need to be maintained or unright actually, as similar with human. Actually, foundations of international going to honor tribute my logo ownership, save National Bank International, save my logo, symbol money the original numerical people, 666 the true one in the world. Claim or being agreed to Internet ID 666 the one called discovering. Context is similar with them. Confirmations experience contacting on this moment calendar also say all these three and need to be reported by 666 on discovering. The contacting getting clear or still tolerance for that because 666 on discovering starts also being bullying or starts to be good for the situation since yesterday. Definitive 666 one discovering friends of United States of America. Contact about appointment decorations, alien fund independence currency, symbol money, numerical people the original. Delegation ambassador or presidents to name also Sir Alien Tate, United States of America. National Ethereum Galactica appointment coalition also alien fund names each others on international two countries. For about the existency national country, my logo 666 goes independence also for next on international. Maintaining about that already began since particular decorations in the ID 666 on discovering. Still conversation or choosing also publish also or persuasive contact conversations with countries through conference, particular precondition in the RE 666 one framing on this moment calendar. Alien Fund International on option for the geography country my logo 666 and still considering or thinking about the probability for international interest war for that also, meaning chasing or rebellion or jealous to decorations of Momentum Day, alien family appointment centuria on this millennium. Decoration existence my logo 666 alien family ownership. Context also for published next on this moment calendar also for about geography planet Mars need to be registered or conversation also for the probability conversation with alien family and international. For about status official or national geography country money logo 666. Conference decorations about the ID 666 one for this company. Alien family ownership and context is then from this Mayan calendar also. Geographic planet Mars as office country for my logo 666. Confirmations to Alien Fund International for register about that. National My Logo 666 on a geographic country to planet Mars or multi-planets actually. For about the first beginning also, one trauma about geographic planet Mars, potential as domicile, living creation or residence next for human civilizations as office geographic country my logo 666 but then 666 one college country partnership alien family international on this millennium context that's about need to be registered also or conversation with alien family for chance or probability for made realization happening. Existence in my logo 666. Alien family ownership. Alien family going to include on international escalation of politics or about status embracing self for alien family next appointment or interactions public through countries with the self my logo. But then on international 666 or numbering of people that already agree with 666 one discovering Islam in the world and also Trinity Christianity and Buddha Chitta and Kingdom in the world and Caesar Imperial Emperor and also Egyptian and etc. also religions and America, US dollar about also Great Britain partially but also first beginning of England about King Arthur and also about Europe or first beginning of Europe or about the Emperor Rome's also and etc. 666 original in the world as patent for symbol money alien family ownership all right already being proved and already being agreed between alien with 666 ITDM 666 is one coin discovery meaning from domiciliary address country Java, suspect premier on this millennium. Human commanding goes to agree, called ethnic customs local pribumi there, and also about the next conspirations syndicate suspect to religions or peoples from Asia. Context they also include India or Hindu, and then also about China or Buddha also following. 666 one discovery meaning through this Mayan conference about that also and confirmation be again needed to Alien Farm International for next conversations and also topic with Alien Farm about Internet ID 666 one discovery meaning as first beginning conversation or precondition for the appointment alien for about code nationality Galactica and also called reform number called people the original 666 or you ride on this millennium. Context says alien United States of America quite interest and all the info include agree for include as partnership or official sponsor committee realizations 666 one discovering delegations or presidential also committed together with alien foreign names each other on international among countries. Context alien foreign going to become a consortium together for status committee or chairman about the status official committee realization existence in my logo 666 but then 666 one discovering. Residents going to become Senate or consortium, similar with that, by alien family coalitions each other on international. Stockholm for meaning also or status head chairman need to be registered on international. Ownership my logo 666 with patent 666 one police meaning also include there as part of alien family. Alien recognition human or meaning also Holy Spirit destiny or about ownership 666 with Alien Family International. Context says Stockholm going to be also Prophet Centuria, that's also Jesus, Isa al-Masih, and then also Muhammad and Buddha also, and etc. Context say similar with that. Six 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 one count evening. That's all for this moment calendar again. And just in time this minute say also still remember for that. This appointment also exactly about first beginning or appointment actually futuristic interparallel alien found initially for about millennium or chasing leadership commandant to alien family about millennium or chasing case historical human commanding goes to grave one direction or spare for that alien family international on directions for about government thing international interparallel for supra universe or about human also context during also about that conference made upon this moment. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet 6661 Skype Premium can be searched through internet social media on this day such as also Google and then Facebook also and through YouTube also of course in ID 666 ICDM or ID Professor Connect. Quite many on social media internet on this day and also still maintains for the conversations happening with alien family on international 6661 Skype Premium. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet. Decorations, proclamation, existence of my logo 666 based context already began actually since particular conference in the ID 6661 Skype Premium. Actually pioneering about existence case valiant co enemy co cheater co betrayer human conspiration supra since 2008 until this year 2021. Thank you very much and context Merry Christmas to name it one for them and almost New Year for this moment calendar also 24 December 2021. Thank you and God bless you. See you again on my next internet conference. Shalom and Om Swantiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bodhi Satya. Sampai jumpa dan terima kasih.